Okay, Mohammed, what we're going to do, we're just going to go over the sequence of events, what takes place when a demand's put on and it fires up. So we're just going to go over what's just happened. Just give us a recap.
You set it on a demand, the fan runs, that makes the air pressure switch. The air pressure switch sends the signal to the PCB, which sets the ignition. At the same time, the gas valve opens and the air lights up and sends the signal back to the PCB. Everything's okay, safe to run.
That's it, yeah. So that's the sequence of events. And fewer things, the thermistor's got to be calling, thermostat's got to be right. But other than that, that's it. That's what actually happens in a sequence, what takes place. So that's part of Mohammed's training, what a pair of training, what he's doing with A&R. And yeah, that's all good. So if you think that's of value, you can subscribe to our channel or give us any comments on what you think it is. So thank you for watching.